Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to enable voice isolation feature on any iPhone. Now, currently I'm using an iPhone 11 to record this video, and the iOS version on our iPhone 11 is the iOS 18.3.1. Now to enable voice isolation feature, just open the settings app. Now from here, scroll down and tap on accessibility. Now from here, scroll down and tap on audio and visual. Now from here, scroll down and make sure you enable add voice isolation. Just like that. Now from here, if you receive a call or if you call someone, for example, if you call like that. Now from here, if you open the control center, you will get the option of phone controls. Now if you tap on it, you will get the option to enable voice isolation, just like that. And this is how you can enable voice isolation feature on any iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.